Hard one, this Wayne. Hey, welcome back. Today I got for you something that was sent to me by a seller. They want me to check it out and tell you what I thought. So here we go. This is a 4¼ inch masonry hole saw. Some serious business here. Now, I thought that it was going to work on my big hammer drill, but it's not. It's it's too heavy duty for mine. But here's the bit that goes in it, or the bit that goes into your drill, and it's got the fluted edges on it, or fluted shaft on it. Okay, so that goes on on a larger concrete drill than what I've got. And I've done some pretty heavy duty stuff with mine, but this is amazing. It's beautifully done carbide bit and teeth on this dude. Yeah, and comes with a couple of lock washers, like so. And that just screws in there. Of course, this is a masonry bit, pilot bit. It's going to get you going. So, I think this is going to do some pretty cool stuff. Now, I've got a 120-year-old solid brick wall house, and this will put holes in the side of it. You know, a lot of times before, when I wanted to run a bath fan out of it, out the side of the wall, I had to take out brick, run my pipe, and rebuild the brick around it. With this, it would be a lot easier. And if I need to, I can just rent me a drill, hammer drill for this, and be done with it in 5 minutes. So I'm real impressed with this, if you can't tell. And I think we'll be using it for something around here. As a matter of fact, clothes dryer vent, I just got a new setup for that. I'll probably rent me a hammer drill and give this a try with that. So anyway, pretty heavy duty stuff here. If you need something like this, I think it's a great price for it. So good value, and go ahead and get it. Okay, bye now.